I write entirely to find out what I'm thinking, what I'm looking at, what I see and what it means, what I want and what I fear. Joan Didion. Welcome to my craft vlog. So I've been on this self-improvement journey, sifting through habits to improve myself and to better myself as a sister, a daughter, a wife, and more importantly, be better to myself. I've been listening to a lot of audiobooks and podcasts and even watching some fellow YouTubers. And through the hours and hours of content that I've been consuming, it seems like the path always leads back to mindfulness. And you guys know that creative journaling is a form of mindfulness or a practice of mindfulness. So I recently came across this journaling prompt that S. Ruthless, he's on YouTube, shared, and it was 3 simple questions that you ask yourself every night, which is, what excited you today? What drained you of energy? And what did you learn? So I started playing with this prompt a little bit with the journal that I keep at my nightstand, which is just a basic line journal that I use to jot quick ideas or whenever I just need to write and don't have the luxury of sitting down and collaging. So I've been playing with this prompt for the past couple of weeks, and it has been incredible to see the patterns that show up when asking myself these 3 simple questions. And of course, I'm extra, so I wanted to incorporate these 3 questions in my traveler's notebook that we actually made last week. So I'll link that video above if you would like to see me upcycle a t-shirt into a DIY traveler's notebook. So starting with the intention of, okay, I know what I want to use this journal for. What's a way where I can make this a little bit more convenient for myself? Because the truth is, sometimes art journaling can take a really long time. So I had an idea to create journaling cards with these prompts. So the remainder of the video will be me kind of guiding you through how I created these note cards if you'd like to make one for yourself. In the description, I will leave the printable that I made. So if you don't want to design a card on your own and just want to use the ones that I used in this video, that will be available for you in a link. I thought I was going to design my printable in a Word document, but then switched to InDesign because I'm more comfortable in that program. I designed 3 different styles of note cards, all repeating those 3 reflective questions, and printed them on different papers ranging from craft paper to newsprint. I don't know why I've been so into newsprint paper lately. There's something about the soft texture and gray color that gives me delight. Plus, I have so many sheets of it, I feel compelled to use it as much as possible. After I cut my note cards, I gathered bits of scrap fabric and paper to collage together. I used a little glue to keep some of the pieces together just enough so they held together while I ran them through my sewing machine. Whenever I break out the sewing machine in these videos, I feel compelled to tell you that I don't actually know how to sew, But I like the aesthetic of thread, and my mom was sweet enough to get me a sewing machine last Christmas, so I've been learning by stitching together paper scraps. As art journaling and junk journaling goes, I like to think of myself having a minimalist style. I really enjoy simply writing in my journals, so my design choices typically are made to allow myself more room to write. But as always, the choice is totally up to you on how much you like to embellish your note cards. I also erred on the side of simplicity because I wanted the opportunity to add stickers and washi and other bits of ephemera that inspires me as I journal with these cards. I hope you'll give these prompts a try, or that you'll use up some of your scraps to make these reflective little note cards during your next crafting session. Thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful to all of you. There's a link in the description for you to download these printables if you'd like, and the quote in the beginning of the video by Joan Didion, whom is my favorite essayist. I'll leave a link to one of my favorite books by her in the description below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.